You know, my role here is I am the liaison basically between the exchange and the 95 companies from LATAM, Bermuda, and the Caribbean that are listed on the New York Stock Exchange, the largest stock exchange in the world. So it's really a privilege for me to be in touch with the executives of companies like Susano, who is visiting us today. And my role is basically be in touch with them, make sure they know the latest when it comes to compliance, when it comes to services, about the exchange, and also to host them when they are here in the city. As I mentioned, we are the largest stock exchange in the world, and that's only because we have companies from all over the world listed here. That's 46 countries. And today we are talking about Brazil. Brazil, we have 34 companies listed on the New York Stock Exchange. These are leading companies across a variety of sectors. Brazil, super important. And of course, the fact that we have the chamber here today highlights and showcases that relevance that Brazil has for the New York Stock Exchange and for the United States. I think the chamber does a great job connecting, executives and entrepreneurs from Brazil and the United States, and they are here today to highlight the Person of the Year awards. So we have today one of the honorees here ringing the bell with us. The Person of the Year is an award that they give to a distinguished person, one from Brazil and one from the United States. This year the honorees are Walter Schalka. He's the CEO of Susano, one of these 34 leading companies from Brazil listed here with us. And the other one is Martin Escobari. He's the LATAM head for General Atlantic. So these are the two honorees, but past honorees include Michael Bloomberg, here of course from the United States, include Fernando Henrique Cardoso, past president of Brazil, and many other key executives and or honorees that they obviously focus on reinforcing the relationship between the two countries. Brazil, what I love about it the most is the energy of the executives, entrepreneurial spirit. They are, very smart people. They come here to the exchange very often. They are very energetic. They try to be close to the investor community, telling their story, updating them on what's going on with their companies. Many of them visit the exchange, often for what? For interviews. We have 30 media outlets here on the exchange. We have beautiful rooms they use for meetings with investors, with the sell side, with the buy side. So I get to see them here. They are very energetic, as I mentioned. And obviously, the fact that they are entrepreneurial, and we have the latest listings from Brazil, they have all been tech and fintech, like Nubank, like Vitex, like CINT, PagSeguro. These are beautiful companies, tech, fintech. But we also have, in every other sector of the economy in Brazil, we have agribusiness, we have industrials, we have consumer companies. These are all here, and is part of the beautiful community of companies listed on the exchange.